Guys, let me tell you something. If you are ever trying to become successful, you have to know your why. Because if you don't know why you're doing what you're doing, you're never going to make it, because you're going to face so many obstacles. My why is my mom. The woman that did everything that she could do to make sure that I had a good life. And I'm going to make certain that she has the best that life has to offer. Success may seem far away, but if you work hard at it, you can gain success. I'm living proof of that. I'm in this beautiful place. I'm in a sense of awe. I have made it. And I can't believe that I've made it this far. Don't ever give up. Whatever you do, don't ever give up. Know your why. Please don't give up, because it's real. You can have it. You can have success. You can have whatever it is that you want to have. Don't listen to negative people. Don't listen to anything but yourself. I'm not the best at videos, but I'm trying to be as real as I can possibly be for you guys. If you want anything in this life, you have to work for it, and you're going to face obstacles, but don't give up, because it's real.